Hi there, I'm just in my kitchen right now and I just made this amazing celery lemonade. I'm on a ketogenic diet and I've been doing this for a while, and I actually coach people on how to do a ketogenic diet, plant-based. And the celery juice, gotta take a drink, is one of the most mineralizing foods you can have. Hot summer day today, it's gonna be 98 degrees here in Bend, Oregon. I'm not hungry, but I'm definitely craving something, so I got in here and I chopped this big bunch of celery. I have 4 bunches of celery I just bought at Natural Grocers. Put it in my Vitamix blender. As you can see, it's all dirty. Then I blended it with a little bit of this lemon juice that I pre-juiced, and I just like to make a bunch at a time because it makes it easier. Then I squeezed it through this amazing nut milk bag. It has a drawstring on it. You can get this on purejoyplanet.com. purejoyplanet.com. And you don't have to get your juicer out, because most people stop juicing because they get sick of juicing with their juicer. So I always tell people, just all you need is a nut milk bag. So make some celery juice, people. Celery lemonade, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 bunch of celery, and you got an amazing rehydrating, remineralizing, electrolyte balancing, fun, yummy, green deliciousness. And it's keto because there's no apple, there's no very, very, very low carb, and super delicioso. Have a great day.